Let's come over to the kitchen. This is the kitchen area here. As you can see here, the kitchen is pretty original. It came with a stove, microwave, and a fridge right there. All those were part of the package. And then the plan for the kitchen is still a little bit up in the air, but for sure we're going to be doing new kitchen cabinets, new countertops. As you can see on this corner, we have the dining area. We've kind of noticed that some of the electrical plugs didn't have power. That's why we kind of cut some pieces into the sheetrock so we can figure that out and route some wire to those. Here we have the living room area, pretty big. You can do a lot of running around here. As you can see, we'll start off on that side of the wall by the chimney. There was some water damage in this area, so we are going to be repairing it from the outside and the inside. If you look on this side, we have one of the sliding windows or sliding doors. The sliding door here only locks by this fancy screw here. And then
by getting stuck.
Never mind, it doesn't work. So we'll just close it back up. But yes, this area here, this is a funky little section with these plugs. Originally, not anymore, okay. My dad fixed this, but originally these plugs would turn on the kitchen light, which is on the opposite side of the wall, which made no sense. So now my dad has taken the plug on this side, if you come over here, and it's now working with the kitchen light. So that's how it should be. We have a full bathroom. This bathroom is still TBD up in the air. It's all functional, it's just very outdated. If you look on this side, they have green racing stripes, which is very iconic of the time, I think. And if you look this way, we have some tile. It's all sealed. It's waterproof, but it just looks a little bit old. So we'll see what we do with that in the future. Toilets right here, they all work. Sink is also a little bit old, but it still works. There's a light here and the fan, they both work. So we'll see what happens in here, but for sure everything's gonna get painted. This is a bedroom here. Here is a nice closet. This closet here has a ventilation system, as you can see. That's part of the design. That's so that when you have stuff inside, it has air to breathe. So we're gonna most likely be adding sheetrock to there to cover that and make it an actual enclosed closet. Here we have another room. As you can see, this room also has a tall closet, but here they do have the appropriate doors which go all the way to the top and not that gap in the middle. So we'll see. We'll probably leave this one as is because the closet doors look functional. Just might need a little bit of painting and that'll be good. And on the left side over here, we have another room. This room here also has a tall door closet. It's smaller than the other room, but very nice. We come over here. As we make our way to the master bedroom, here we have two closets. You won't be able to see maybe, but here's one. Here's two. Here is a old alarm system, I believe, home guard. Right now it's set to off. We don't know what happens if we set it to test. Let's find out. Here we are in the master bedroom. This master bedroom has a his and a hers closet. Over here, we have the his closet, as you can see. Nice little door, all functional. You can see for his clothing. And on this side, we have hers closet. Hers closet is also a small door, as you can see. Couple of shelves in there, so all that should be good. But that's the good thing about this room. It came with a his and hers closet. This here is a master bedroom. Master bathroom. As you can see, very tight space. Hello. I'm in here. And this bathroom is going to get the most renovation because it leaks. The shower leaks, the water shoots out, and as you can see over there, there's damage. That's going to get fixed. The plan is to potentially extend this shower all the way to the edge of that wall, so it's a full shower, and then the toilet will get switched over to the corner over here, where we're gonna kind of have a smaller sink. We believe that'll make this bathroom feel a lot more useful. Today's task is to clean up the floors and then cover them in plastic so that we can kind of continue with the work.
So we just finished vacuuming it. Well, sweeping everything, removing all the big pieces of garbage, and then we vacuumed all over the living room, hallways, entryway, bathrooms, and bedrooms. We finished putting all the plastic on the floor. Here in the living room, it's covered with plastic. This is a different plastic because we ran out of the other one. So come on and I'll show you all the other sides. Here's the entry hallway. Has plastic. The closet over here has plastic. We put the vacuum in there for later use. And then you keep coming in. The restroom doesn't need plastic because we're probably gonna put some different type of floor. Okay, come on into the other room. This one has plastic. The only thing we need to do here is open a hole for the crawl space under here. So anytime we need to access it, we're gonna remove the tape. Okay, now let's go on to the other room. Here in the closet, we also finish putting plastic. This room, the closets. Okay, and then come on. Just to say something, these doors are fancy. I mean, these things. They have like a flower shape. Okay, this is one of the brighter rooms. This is also covered in plastic, including the closet. Okay, come on this way. Okay, come on. Same situation here. We do not need to cover the bathroom because the floor will be probably something else. We finished covering the floor here entirely. His closet as well as her closet. I'll show you a demonstration, the size difference. His closet. Okay, now let's go see her closet. As you can see, you can't even almost see me. Okay, and that's it, folks.